My name is Celia. I'm from Madrid, Spain, and I studied the MA in Art History, Curatorship and Renaissance Culture at the Warburg Institute. I decided to study this MA because when I graduated from my undergraduate in art history in Madrid, I knew that I wanted to go into the museum world, but that I needed a very solid art historical foundation. Mainly all the curatorial programs focus on curatorial practice. The Warburg Institute MA combines the expertise of the National Gallery with the Warburg's academic rigour, and that was the perfect combination for me. The most surprising thing that I learned during my degree was actually to curate an entire exhibition from scratch, because it wasn't on my plans when I started the MA. Being able to select the topic for an exhibition, the works of art that were going to be displayed, and also writing condition reports was really great and really broadened my skills. My favorite thing about this experience was actually when I got to write a catalogue entry on one of Mantegna's paintings at the National Gallery, because I got the opportunity to look very closely to the object, to go to the National Gallery archive and access the curatorial and conservation dossiers, and also to discuss my thoughts with the curator of the National Gallery. So that was definitely amazing. My dream has always been to become a museum curator, and I am very happy to say that I'm fulfilling that dream, because I just started a new position as assistant collection manager at NYU's Villa La Pietra in Florence. In the future, I would love to combine this job with a PhD and keep doing what I love the most, which is doing art historical research and communicating art to different audiences. My advice for prospective Warburg Institute students is to go to the library and take advantage of the amazing cataloging system that the Warburg has. Explore new topics. Don't stick to topics that you've already researched, because the Warburg is the perfect place for exploring topics that you've never researched before. I will always recommend to study at the Warburg Institute. It's a unique place. It has a wonderful academic community that will always support you and help you. I am very happy to be graduating today, but I have to say that it's a bittersweet moment, because I am very sad to know that my time here has officially concluded, but also very happy for what comes next. And I also know that I will always be connected to the Warburg Institute and to my Warburgian friends.